Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to download and install the Bitget app on your Android device so you can start trading crypto in no time. Whether you are new to crypto or just looking for a reliable exchange app, Bitget has got you covered. So let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Inside the home page, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then again tap on the search bar at the top of your screen and type Bitget and hit on search. You'll see the Bitget app pop up in the results. Once you have found the Bitget app, go ahead and tap on the install button to start downloading it to your device. Depending on your internet speed, this should only take a few moments. When the installation is complete, just tap open to launch the app. When you first open the app, you'll either need to log into your existing Bitget account, or if you are a new user, you can easily sign up for an account. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed the Bitget app on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like, share and subscribe button. And also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our videos. Also drop a comment below if you got any question or need help with something else. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.